Welcome once again. Minimax 1030S build, me Scott. We're gonna put this tank in. Need the workbench fairy to come around. I haven't seen him in a while. If you've seen him, let me know. We're gonna get this started here. Got this all glued up, epoxied up. It's ready to go in. My special hose didn't come in, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this other hose because I'm tired of waiting. I'm gonna stick this right on there. Your hose clamp. All right. It's in here like this. This is a 5-gallon tank. I told you before, I've already tested it, make sure it don't leak with water. This can go right up here. I ordered that Simone motor today. Actually, he probably won't get the check for a couple of days, and so maybe 3-4 episodes from now we'll have a look at that, see how it looks sitting here. That's definitely going to give me a lot of stuff to do. All right, now I'm going to be gluing a piece right here. I put some varnish on here last night, the day before. All right. I think I'm going to put a little piece of this rubber tape. It'll be tight in there once I put it on, so the tape's just temporarily holding it. Okay. All right, let's see what this does. This goes here. That's a tight fit now. Okay. Here. Okay. A little high, a little high on this side. That was right on the money. All right, so I think I can sand this one down a little bit. All right. I'm talking about right there. Mark it for get. All right, so this is ready to go in there, nice and solid. We're going to put the glue on the plywood first. I put varnish on areas that are not going to get epoxy. So now everywhere you don't see it, I got to get some epoxy on there. Got me some of these from the doctor's office the other day. I was going to get some of that $495 back I paid on that doctor appointment. And I think things are finally going to come together now, despite the efforts of had a raindrop from the roof. Despite the efforts of some people to not fulfill their obligations, I think we're going to be okay. Make sure we're not getting no epoxy on varnish. It's going to bond the plane together pretty good right here. It's going to make it a lot more solid once this goes on. I ordered some stuff for around this gas tank area. Some gas tank sealer. And I'm going to seal that whole little compartment so that when I'm filling it up with gas, in case I spill some, it's not penetrating the wood at all or getting into the cockpit. I'll give a shout out to my partner in crime, Joe Daigle. Hope you have a happy birthday. You get everything your heart desires and, you know, all the stuff one wants on his birthday. All right, here we go. I need to get everywhere the varnish ain't, so it'll be a little wide. And this plywood soaks it up. Yep, the rain has stopped. It got quiet again here. I can hear myself think again. Tell you what, the rain sure is good for comment your thoughts down on if you ever noticed that. To those of you who don't have a tin roof, I tell you, it's worth the money in more ways than one. They last a long time. They might not be the best looking thing in the world, but not bad. They're better than they used to be. But they make you sleep like a baby. All right, this is a lengthy process. I'll lay this somewhere out of the way for a minute. All right. Now, you see any spots of mist? It's pretty wet to me. Okay, we'll be ready. That. All right, so we got that on, finally. Now with this on already, when I go to put the daggone throttle in, now I gotta try to get up underneath there, and there's no room. I need to find me a little kid, I guess, to climb up in there upside down and help me run cables and wires. And there's only a couple, so it's not a big deal, but I was hoping to do it smartly and do it, like you know what you're doing. Either way, finally this is on. I get the edger out here when it dries and clean it all up and cut it out right. And then I already got the dashboard and the firewall made. Just got to run some ribs, take some measurements anyway, and a couple more episodes we'll have this on. It's got to be wrapped with plywood. And maybe by then the motor will be here. Thanks for playing along. Hope you're enjoying the difficulties it takes in building something. And stuff always takes longer than you think it does, especially when you're doing something you've never done before. I mean, I've built a lot of stuff in my life. I built aircraft carriers and submarines, built a lot of model airplanes, never built a full-size one. And not having too much problem other than things are taking a lot longer. And, what you deal with. But keep looking up. That's where the Savior's coming from. And if you want to know something about that, give me a comment. I'll help you out on that. And I hope your life is being blessed. The more good stuff you do, the more God sees it, the more He blesses you. So keep that in mind. Take care.